In this video, we are going to discuss about hydrogen spectrum. In the last video, we have discussed about the spectrums. Spectrum is nothing but image recorded when the radiant energy is passed through the prism. Now let us see hydrogen spectrum. When high potential difference is applied through the discharge tube containing hydrogen gas, a bright light is obtained. That light, when passed through the prism, different types of lines are obtained in the form of spectra. That is considered as hydrogen spectra. In hydrogen spectra, we have 5 different series of lines. The first one is Lyman series, second one is Balmer, Fashion, Brackett and Fund. Here we have two things to be seen. One is N2 and the other one is N1. N2 is nothing but higher energy level, whereas N1 is nothing but lower energy level. Always remember, this is important because the point where the electron is reaching is important. Based on this one, the series of lines are obtained. When the electron jumps from the higher energy level, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on, to the lower energy level, that is N1 is equal to 1. The spectral lines are obtained in ultraviolet region and this series is considered as Lyman series. Let us see the other series. We have made a sentence so that it will be easy for you to understand all the series. Here we have made a general statement based on which you can easily understand what is happening. Here, when the electron jumps from the higher energy level, that is N2. Always remember, the higher energy level is the level from where the electron is getting de-excited. We have seen in the Bohr's model, when the electron get de-excited, or else when the electron jumps from the higher energy level to the lower energy level, what happens is the radiations are emitted from the electron. Those radiation, when captured by spectrograph or spectrometer, we are going to obtain a spectra. Here, when the electron jumps from the higher energy level, that is N2. Remember, we have prepared a box here where you find N2 values for every series, and we have lower energy level, that is N1. We have the values for the N1 also. So the spectral lines are obtained in certain region, that is nothing but which is written adjacent to that of N1 and N2. Here for the Lyman series, it is ultraviolet. This region of spectral lines are known as Lyman series, as because the N2 is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, N1 will be 1, and if the N1 is 1, the spectral lines are obtained in ultraviolet region. If the spectral lines are obtained in ultraviolet region, the series is considered as Lyman series. Similarly, for Balmer series, it is N2 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. N1 is 2, and the spectral lines are obtained in visible region. This region of spectral lines is considered as Balmer series. Remember, Balmer series is the only series of radiations which can be visualized by the naked eye. As because it was discovered by Balmer, it is named as Balmer series. Next to that of Balmer series, we have Fashion series. Here the N2 values are 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. Whereas the lower energy level, that is N1 value, is 3. The spectral lines are obtained in near infrared region, and this region of spectral lines is known as Fashion series. When N2 values are 5, 6, 7, 8, N1 value is 4, the spectral region is infrared. This region of spectral lines is known as Brackett series. Next to this, when the N2 values are 6, 7, 8 and N1 value is 5, the spectral region is infrared, and the region of spectral lines is known as Fund series. Hydrogen spectrum is the line spectrum, and it is the simplest of all the atomic spectrums. We can calculate the wave length or wave number of all the lines in all the series by using Rydberg's equation. We have an equation that is mu bar, that is wave number, or else 1 by lambda, that is nothing but lambda is wavelength. We can calculate wave number and wavelength by using the formula RH into Z square into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. Here N2 is higher energy level, N1 is lower energy level, Z is atomic number, RH is nothing but Rydberg's constant value for hydrogen atom. Rydberg's constant value for hydrogen atom is 109677 centimeter inverse. Remember, Rydberg's constant value for every atom is different. This is hydrogen spectrum, which consists of 5 series, and based on the N1 value, each and every series have different spectral region.